Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Crescent Garden. Today we're opening a box from Crescent Gardens for some container stuff.
Yeah, let's show you. It's sitting right over here. It's a huge, huge box.
There we go. Big box.
Look at this thing, you guys.
It's ginormous, huge.
So we're gonna open this in just a second so you can see what's in here and so we can see, because we kind of forgot some of this stuff.
Yeah, we're writing some articles. Full disclosure, we're gonna write some articles for Crescent Gardens using some of their products, and so they sent these to us, so we're going to open them with you today.
Yeah, this will be really fun. I can't wait.
Yeah, but we forgot what they're sending us in the first batch.
So before we get to that though, we're really excited we're kind of celebrating today because it is our 300th video.
300 guys, 300 daily videos. Now we've taken some days off here and there, you know, it hasn't been a straight 300 days, but you know, everybody needs a day off. So
only a few though.
Yeah, not too bad. So, but yeah, 300 daily videos. This is something new for both of us. We've never done this before.
We're super excited to be able to share our garden with you, and be able to help and talk and connect with you.
Yep.
So this is the whole goal of this channel, and we started this, last March?
Yep, end of last March.
Yeah.
Yep, we wanted to make sure that you all knew we were in this together and that we're here to support each other, and especially through gardening. So
as a special thank you to you, going forward into this new year, we want to offer you a special discount at one of our favorite seed and bulb suppliers, Eden Brothers.
Yep, 15% off this whole year if you use our coupon code SPOKEN, and that's all in caps, and that'll be up here on the screen, and then we'll also put it down below in the description of the video.
Yeah, we're super excited to offer this to all of you out there watching and our podcast audience as well.
Yep.
It's just for you guys, 15% off your entire order.
Yep, every order that comes through for Eden Brothers that you put in all year long, this whole year, 2021.
Yay.
So yeah. So
we encourage you to use it and get some seeds, get some bulbs, and have fun.
Yep, get out in your garden.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, okay, so now we need to open up the box.
We need to open the box. Here we go.
Here we go, guys. So guys, here we go. So we've already cut it open. We're gonna get in here. Big surprise,
oh my
big
gosh,
surprise.
What is in here?
Okay, well now, interesting,
wow.
Look at all this. Okay, you know what, let's go over here. Let's go over here to the table. Now, these look like some pots here, but we're not sure. I don't know. So,
oh my gosh.
So look at that, there's multiple pots.
Oh my gosh, I remember us picking out the one color. I didn't realize we were getting 6 of them.
Yeah, we got, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Cool.
Yep. So guys, just to make sure, crescentgardens.com. And full disclosure, we're not being financially compensated to show these to you or to do anything with them. We are helping write articles for Crescent Gardens using their products. So, full disclosure. So, but yeah, I think these are 12-inch pots. And
I have to feel them.
Yeah.
I need to know.
Oh,
that's nice.
They're a light plastic, but they're very durable.
Okay,
I think they'll do well out on our garden, out on our deck, or anywhere else we want to put them around our garden, like in the fire pit or anything. Now, these don't have drain holes in them yet, but they do have a thing right here. Just saw that. There's actually a power drill right there, and so they're encouraging us with this this picture to drill holes in these predetermined parts, so these areas, so we can actually get drainage out of these pots. So that's pretty cool.
Easy enough,
so,
right?
And I get to use, or we get to use power equipment, so that's a plus.
That's a win-win.
That's always fun. So
wow, that is awesome.
So we got those. That's super cool, right?
Wow, this is really cool. These are all on their website.
Yeah, all on their website, really cool. And so we got
excited to see.
Got some packing material here. What else do we got? Okay, so there's a really big pot in here, but there's other things I think in here too. So let me get this. Oh, okay. Well, that's just packing. So we'll put that out. Okay, so we're gonna bring this out. You ready? Drum roll. Okay. Here we go.
Oh my
Now look
goodness.
at that. That's huge.
That is huge.
That's a big pot right there. And lo and behold.
Oh, there's the saucer.
It comes with a 15-inch saucer.
Okay.
Yep, Crescent Gardens. Yep, pretty cool. And this is recyclable, I think it says. So that's cool. But yeah, 10-year warranty. That's neat. Didn't know that. So universal saucer, made in France. Good stuff. Or Colombia. Sorry, made in Colombia. Oh. That's interesting. Okay, so now for the big pot reveal.
Now this is one of their premium products because it's a self-watering container that we're going to try out.
Yep. Gotta sight this first and figure out
really
where we're
like
gonna
that
put
color.
it. Yeah.
Sean and I love natural looking things. I mean, we have like blue and white over here. We have pops of blue around our yard, but we really liked this color for this container.
Yep, it is. It's always good stuff. Now I'm taking this off because this is part of the marketing, all good stuff. So that's good stuff. So we're going to put that over here. So the reason I'm taking that off is because if we take this and we'll put it down over here. Now look at this. This is a self-watering.
Cool.
This is one of their self-watering kinds of pots here. There's a reservoir down here, but you fill it right here. There's some different things going on here, and we'll read up about these here. But this is their True Drop 1 self-watering container. So this is pretty cool.
This is awesome. So it looks super huge, but again, like almost half of it is the water reservoir at the bottom. But that's still pretty big.
There's about maybe 16 to 18 inches of planting depth here, so that's cool.
That's awesome.
Well, maybe more like 12 to 14, but still though, pretty cool stuff.
Okay.
And okay, so
that's just half the shipment then, it looks like.
Maybe. This is all that came with this shipment.
Okay.
Though. So this is pretty cool.
This is really cool.
Wow, I'm excited to get these out in the garden and see what we can fill them with. I mean, what about you, honey?
Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to get these filled.
Aren't these awesome?
Well, now we'll have to place them and figure out a spot. And we're doing a lot of renovation, as you guys know, kind of this whole thing back here. So we're going to be kind of shifting things around. And
yeah, it's going to be interesting to see how it all fits together. And you're going to be here with us to see it all go down, see it all fit together. So really cool, you guys.
Yeah, this is going to be so much fun to plan and figure out where we're going to put in these.
Cool.
We have some, like we said, we have articles coming up that are going to refer to each of these kind of containers. Yeah, we're super excited. This is awesome.
Yep. So you guys can go again to crescentgardens.com, check these out, and a lot more. They have a lot more things to on their website. Yeah, they have a lot of products. So we're really excited about it. We hope you are too. Leave your comments and questions down below for us. We love hearing from you. Give us that thumbs up, let us know we're doing a good job, and subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our latest videos.
And we'll be back tomorrow with our next garden care video, which happens to be a Monday short, a YouTube short coming up. And we'll be back tomorrow. Have a great day, you guys.
See you tomorrow, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.